Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best cordless electric hedge trimmer lawn. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best cordless electric hedge trimmer lawn. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. When it comes to maintaining a well-groomed lawn and garden, a high-quality electric hedge trimmer is an essential tool. Unlike gas-powered models, electric trimmers are quieter, require less maintenance, and are more eco-friendly, making them an excellent choice for most homeowners. Electric hedge trimmers come in two varieties, corded and cordless. Corded models offer unlimited runtime but require access to an electrical outlet. Cordless models, on the other hand, offer more mobility and convenience but are limited by battery life. The blade length typically ranges from 16 to 24 inches, with longer blades ideal for large hedges. Consider the type of material you're trimming. Dual-action blades can handle tougher branches more efficiently, reducing vibration. A lightweight trimmer with ergonomic handles will reduce fatigue, especially during extended use. Look for padded or adjustable handles for better comfort and control. Many electric hedge trimmers come with built-in safety features, like blade guards and safety switches to prevent accidental activation. These are especially important if you have children or pets around. Prices vary based on power, size, and brand, but a reliable model can be found within the $50 to $150 range. Always check for a warranty to ensure peace of mind with your purchase. An electric hedge trimmer is a great investment for anyone looking to maintain tidy hedges with minimal hassle. Choose the model that fits your garden size and your personal preferences, and enjoy effortless trimming year-round. Thanks for watching the video.